Welcome. We're going to do a training today on how to get the patches once you're a brand partner, or if you're a brand partner and you're advising your brand partners on how to place subsequent orders and get the best deal. So thank you, Diane Henderson, for giving me the idea to do this training. I think this is really going to help people and save us all some money, but get us lots of products that we need. So, okay, first way we do that. And really one of the best ways in terms of saving money, getting the product for less than regular wholesale price is to, after you've initially placed your enrollment pack order, in your back office. So you'll go to lifewave.com, go into sign in, you'll get into your account. We call it back office. This is an example of my husband's back office. So he doesn't really do the business. He doesn't have any commissions. He has already upgraded because it's a really good deal. He's already upgraded all the way to diamond.
Nice.
But if he hadn't, he would go to the store area right here. And at the very bottom of this list, whoops, he would see something called upgrade kits. And when you do an upgrade kit, it's not like you're ordering the whole kit. Say you're silver, you're upgrading to gold. You're not going to pay $499.95 for a gold upgrade. You're going to pay the balance of what you haven't already purchased, and you're going to get enough product, like the balance of the products you haven't already purchased. So they really aren't that expensive when you just kind of upgrade one level at a time. But as you're doing that, you're getting the efficiency and they're still giving you the discount. So I highly recommend that. The other thing is you can order something called maintenance kits. So I'll pull down here and show you all of our options. So up here, we have maintenance kits that do not include the X39 or X49 products. They include these two, include all, you can customize and put into those any of our kind of first generation products, patching products. There's even a kit here for Alavita, although it does not show that you earn volume off this. So as a brand partner doing the business, we need to have 55 PV points, personal volume points per month to stay active. Or if you're a manager and wanting to maintain that status, you need 110 personal volume points per month. So at first, your own orders usually are required. Down the road as you get customers and preferred customers, their orders actually turn there. That's PV, personal volume, for you as well. So if you don't need product, you don't necessarily have to order at that point. But if you're concerned about your personal volume, they tell you here how much over a period of time. So they'll deposit each month for 6 months. At that 1 month mark, they'll throw 55 BV. It's actually personal volume if you're buying it into your account. And then you don't have to worry about it for 6 months. I want to show you these awesome. Oh, and then down here we have the 3 options for the X39 or X49 kits. These can be all X39, just so you know. They're not like the bundle. These are actually, when it says, and I'll show you on the next chart that Diane put together. Okay, so here are, yes, these are the 2 that you can put product in that's not X39 or X49. And she explains how many sleeves you get to put in those kits. She also explains the savings. So if you were to, instead of buying this kit, you were going to buy 1 product each month. So say you just love Eon, right? And you're like, okay, I'm going to just be on auto ship or monthly subscription order for Eon. And that, doing just 1 product, wholesale price $69.95. So she's figured out over 7 months, one product each month shipping out to you, what that would have cost you. Whereas if you just stock up using one of these kits that costs $346.75, there's the savings just for the kit. And then on top of that, if for 7 months you paid $8.20 for shipping each month, here's the cost you would put out for that, and here's your total savings.
Wow.
So again, these, like the wholesale cost, the shipping cost here is based off of one product each month. In this case, 7 months, because there's 7 sleeves. This kit, there are 14 sleeves you get to put in it. This kit, again, really behooves someone who is wanting to be a manager or maintain the rank of manager or above, because it exceeds the 110 personal volume per month. Okay, so that's those. But then we get into the X39 and X49 kits. Let me expand this a little bit. And yeah, the same deal. I mean, you're going to look at these and realize that, okay, this first kit, now it only keeps a person active for 3 months. But these other two kits, like the kits on the other page, are 6 month, keeping someone active for 6 months. Again, this pack 3, that would be best for our managers if you're wanting to stay active in a 6 month period. I called customer service this morning because I wanted to know if there was any way, if they call customer service, you could be set up to essentially have an auto ship on these packs every 3 to 6 months, so that you never had a period where you took the chance of going inactive because you forget to order one of these kits again. And he gave me a great idea. He said, we can't do that in the system, but what we recommend is, let's just take this one for an example. You do this one, it keeps you active for 6 months. You want to, after you purchase this, go into your back office and under monthly subscription order, push out the date of your next monthly subscription order to be 7 months from the date you place the order for this. That way, if you forget, you still keep something going. If you're smart and have it on your, or I guess not smart, but have it, or on top of everything, have it in your calendar, and you go in and order another one of these at that 7 month mark, then you can cancel the monthly subscription order. But that is my only thing about the maintenance kits that is a concern from the standpoint of brand partners wanting to retain all their business volume and not have the chance of that flushing because they go inactive. I thought that was a great piece of advice. So if you're going to do one of these kits, awesome, they'll save you lots of money, but have that backup plan, because life happens, and sometimes when we think we're gonna be good about checking our calendar and executing things, something's going on and we don't want to, lose volume. I also talked to him about so this is going to go into something different. So when you upgrade to a diamond, whether you upgrade to a diamond or you initially purchase as a diamond, that will keep you active for 3 months. So keep that in mind. At that point where, say, we talked about earlier, you just want to go in and do the upgrade kits. At the point where you upgrade from whatever to a diamond, you will be active then for 3 months off that upgrade. So does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So I wasn't sure if it was if that was valid for upgrades or just for big initial purchase. They said, oh yeah, upgrades get it too. So and then at that point too, you have the 14 weeks where you're kind of looked at as a senior presidential director from the standpoint of, if you enroll people yourself in that 14-week period, as a platinum or a diamond, you get the full product introduction bonus. You don't share any of that with your upline. And so like a diamond, you get a full $500 for every diamond kit you sell in the first 14 weeks as a diamond. Okay. So does anybody have questions? No. Okay. And that's really for this training, this is all I wanted to cover. I just wanted to make sure that everyone had that pretty clear in their minds how, if they're trying to save money, how they should proceed with that. And again, thank you, Diane, for those charts you made. Those were excellent. Trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to mention to you guys. Oh, just this is miscellaneous, but on Wednesday night, I had someone new, a prospect on our, your wellness and phototherapy webinar. And she asked me a question I've never been asked. I was pretty sure I knew the answer, but then I was like, I wasn't 100% sure. Is LifeWave a part of the DSA, Direct Selling Association? And yes, we are part of the DSA. So if anyone ever asks you guys that question, there's the answer. So, okay, with that being said, I'm going to sign off.